Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix download failed in Chrome on Android. So guys, sometimes when you don't have your permissions set up properly or you have the settings inside of the application that are incorrect, sometimes you may encounter some of the issues downloading. So in order to fix this, just follow my steps. So guys, just scroll down on your phone depending on your model and brand, go to apps, then you go to manage apps and in the search for Chrome. All right, so this is our Chrome. And guys, in here, you can, as you can see, manage the app permissions. So go ahead into here and make sure that the permissions are enabled. For example, for storage, if you have them here, make sure that they are allowed. All right. Also, guys, you go to data usage and make sure, as you can see on the bottom, I have managed network connection. So make sure that all of the connections through your Wi-Fi and mobile data, cellular data are allowed. All right, also the background data. And now let us go into the Chrome itself, and I will also show you how you can fix from there. All right, guys, and now from Chrome, you go ahead and press on three dots, then go to settings. And in here, you need to make sure to go to downloads. And in here, as you can see, we have our download location. So I never changed my download location. It just downloads into my internal storage, into the downloads folder. So you should do the same. But if, for example, in your case, if it's some kind of different location, to avoid any issues, just make sure to go into your internal storage and select the download folder inside of your internal storage pretty much of your phone. If you don't have it, just create it and choose this folder in here. You can just tap on it and choose it. And these fixes should help you guys. Now you can easily get back to downloading and enjoy. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.